Well, it's been a while since we've been working on the house. I'm gonna say a few days, but a few days is kind of an understatement. It's rained every opportunity that I had to get over and work on the house. And most of the stuff up until now has been on the outside. So it's a cold morning. Well, cool, but it's good enough to work in. It's not terribly cold, and we're gonna get started and try to do some work today. I'm not sure what yet, but we'll figure it out. And everything is shaking. I've really got to get my truck in and have it worked on. Anyway, it's warmed up enough where we can get out there and not freeze to death. The wind isn't blowing too terribly, and we're probably going to go find something to do and start putting this house back together. Well, today I think we're going to get started on pulling out these windows. We got all these windows here that need to be pulled out so we can see about getting some new windows in. And if we get some time, maybe we'll clean up some of this mess that we had from our concrete patch. And here we go.
Piece of glass in it?
Yeah. Owie, owie. Okay. If I wore gloves, that wouldn't happen.
This has got a screw tag on it. Don't say you ain't never seen me do nothing.
Easy now, brother. We got these windows pulled out all around the house, and looking pretty good. We're going to go figure out if we can get windows. We're going to go ahead and put these windows in. I think what we're going to do is we're going to put some pressure treated on here and here. We're going to let it come out to here, and then we face our windows on here, and then we'll come back and put a piece of hardy trim all around the entire window to make it match the house, and I think it'll look nice. The material we're using for framing these windows out, they just call it a corral board. It's pressure treated. It says it's a 1x6, but it's closer to like a 1x8, and it's a full 1 inch thick, so it gets our window opening just what we want. They come 16 foot long, so relatively inexpensive in the price of today's lumber, so it's better than buying a 1x4 and paying double the price, and better than buying a 2x4 or 1x6, and better than buying a 2x6 and having to plane it down. Go.
Go in. Here's teeth.
We can screw in this bottom corner, and then we'll try to move it. That's good, huh?
Yeah.
So I got to go pick up some bits for my screw gun for those Torx head screws, and because I lost them yesterday. I don't know what happened. I lost them. I had like 6 of them, and I can't find a one of them. So I'm going to go pick up some more of those Torx head screw bits and some sandpaper. I don't know. That's probably all I need for what I got to do this today. And then we'll get on putting the windows back in. Well, the ones that are left. Should prove to be a very productive day. It looks like it's a pretty day.